Hey, it's Freddie at Bobcat, and did you know that a lot of times people ask me, Freddie, how exactly does that hydraulic Bobcat exchange work on the excavator? Well, let me show you. It is super simple. To lock it, you just press this toggle switch this direction. To unlock it, you press it this direction. Now, surely we can handle that and take a look at how it works. Get it? Now, if you're on a job by yourself, wouldn't you love to have hydraulic Bobcat bucket hookup? It literally is so easy. A salesman can do it. Freddie at Bobcat.